Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials and that MFA is active. This prevents access loops. Install the Zscaler client connector with admin privileges and accept any required system prompts. Once installed, open the app and choose your organization or location profile if prompted, then enter your corporate username and password. If MFA appears, complete the push or code entry promptly. Doing these initial steps correctly ensures the client can authenticate and reach the Zscaler cloud without needless retries or delays. Once logged in, select the proper tunnel mode as dictated by your IT policy. Tunnel mode determines traffic handling. Click Connect and watch the status change through connecting to Connected. If it stalls, toggle network adapters or re-authenticate. After connected, open client details to confirm assigned IP, DNS settings, and applied policy tags so you know which rules apply. Finally, test access to an internal resource or intranet page. A successful load confirms the tunnel and policy enforcement are functioning as expected. To finish, use the disconnect button and then sign out of the client to end your session cleanly. If connection problems arise, timeouts, blocked sites, or failed auth, open the client logs and run the built-in diagnostics. This often reveals DNS or certificate errors. Restart the connector and your network adapter, then try again. If unresolved, capture the logs, note exact timestamps, and send them to IT for escalation. Those logs accelerate troubleshooting and avoid repeated guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.